demo of the SplitMate application, and I'll tell you how it makes your life easier by simplifying the way how you split the bills among your friends and colleagues. So let's get started. On the get started, I'll get a Splitwise authorization. I'll authorize my account and it would pull up all of my Splitwise details. So this is my home dashboard. I have the total number of groups, how many of them are unsettled, and what is the total outstanding amount. And it seems that I have to pay a lot amount. Moving forward, I'll particularly go to a particular group and I can just try to view or add expenses. So here it gives me an option to upload a CSV or an image. So I would just quickly demo you about an image. So let's see. I'll just pull up one of my V orders. So this is the grocery orders we use for V, and yeah, so this is the invoice of that. I'll just quickly upload the image. As soon as I quick upload, it would upload the image to my database, and also it would process the file, and AI would analyze it and find out that what is the expense. And then quickly I can view my expense. Okay, so I'll just verify it if I have added the correct expense. So for example, I ordered Parle-G 15 number of them, and total price is this, and I would name it as Janish's V expense. And I'll just submit the expense to group. As soon as I hit the submit to group, I can just see that Janish V expense is added latest, and based on the number of members in the group, they can just have their preferences, update their preferences. I cannot update Nehul's preferences, but I can surely update my preferences that okay, I do not want kurkure masala munch, and also tur dal and Lakshmi poha as well. So I'll just submit my preferences, and automatically the expense preferences got updated. And similarly, all the other, as soon as all the other members of the group submit their preferences, I'll just click finalize on Splitwise, and it would just automatically do the mathematics. You do not need to do divide by 6, divide by 5, and all that stuff, and it will automatically post that expense to Splitwise. So this is a smart automation that we have done, and looking forward to it. And also, we have added a very good feature. You can, in case if you are coming across any of the bugs, for example, if AI is not parsing it well, or if your expenses are not getting updated correctly on Splitwise, you can just report us. So you can just say that okay, your website is really good, and it saves time. So it is just not an improvement, but it is just a comment. So I can just submit the report, and obviously, yeah, we would be able to see it, and probably we would be reaching out to you in the case you need any support. So yeah, tune into the application and use it. Thanks.